students, welcome to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn about types of communication based on whether the system communicates only in one direction or otherwise. The communication system are classified as simplex system, half duplex system and full duplex system. So you can see in this particular diagram, first figure is simplex. That is, we are having a mainframe computer which is sending data in one direction to monitor. So a simplex system is in which the data or information is communicated in only one direction. For example, radio or TV broadcasting systems can only transmit, they cannot receive. So these are simplex system. Communication from CPU to monitor or keyboard or to CPU is unidirectional. Keyboard and traditional monitors are example of simplex devices. Next is half duplex. These systems are bidirectional. They can transmit as well as receive but not simultaneously. As you can see here, station 1 is sending data in one direction at one time 1, to station B or another station. Then station 2 is sending data with the same wire in different direction but at different time. So in half duplex, both station can send data but not simultaneously. At a time, this system can either transmit or receive. For example, a transceiver or walkie-talkie set. Each station can transmit and receive but not at the same time. When one device is ending, the other one is receiving and vice versa. Next is full duplex. These are truly bidirectional system as they allow the communication to take place in both the directions simultaneously. This system can transmit as well as receive simultaneously. For example, telephone system. Here you can see in this diagram that station 1 or one station can send data to another station. At the same time, this station can send data to another station at the same time. So these are truly bidirectional. A full duplex data communication system is as shown and can transmit and receive simultaneously. In full duplex mode, signals going in either direction share the full capacity of link. The link may contain two physically separate transmission paths, one for sending and another for receiving. Otherwise, the capacity of the channel is divided between signal traveling in both directions. So we can have either two wires or a single wire with the channel bandwidth or the capacity of the channel is divided by 2. So this is types of communication. So simplex mode is unidirectional, sending data in one way. Half duplex, in this each station can transmit and receive data but not at the same time. Example is walkie-talkie. Next is full duplex. In full duplex, both the station can transmit and receive data simultaneously. Example is telephone network. So this is how types of communication exist in our communication system. Thank you.